Solving inequalities graphically, we need to understand what it means when we see an inequality. And inequalities between functions, we're talking about the y values here. So the solutions of the inequality f of x is less than g of x is where we're looking for where g of x, okay, the graph of g, is higher than the graph of f. Okay, and we specifically care about the x values. Now this is strictly less than, okay, and so it's only that where the graph of g is actually higher than f. But if we have an equals, so f is less than or equal to g of x, then we include all of those solutions as well as the solutions of the equation f of x equals g of x. In other words, we're looking for the x values of the intersection points for those two graphs. So let me just give you a quick picture of what this might look like. So I'm just going to do two quick sketches. Suppose this is, suppose that's f, and so that's f, and suppose that this is g. Okay? And if we were solving the inequality f of x is less than g of x, and we're just looking for where the graph of g is higher than f, or where f is lower. And we see that that happens right here on this interval from this point to this point. Okay, so from there all the way through there. And so whatever these numbers are, we'll call this a and b. All right, the solution to f of x is less than g of x would be the interval a to b. And we would not include those endpoints because at those points they're equal. Okay, f is not less than g. However, the solution to f of x less than or equal to g of x, we would take that interval, but we would also include those points. And so then we would have brackets.